What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So I forgot to film my intro, and so I'm just about to edit this video and everything like that. I pulled it off my tripod and everything, so I figured I'd just grab my camera, say my intro. So today I did a pretty bronzy glowy look. We just did eyes today, so if you're interested on how I got this bronzy eyeshadow, then keep on watching. Hello. So I already did some foundation. I am baking right now, so don't be alarmed. I wanted to bake underneath my eyes just in case if I have any fallout, then I can just brush that right away and don't have to worry about the eyeshadow smearing if I'm trying to get it off or whatever. So good tip to catch your eyeshadow fallout. And then I wanted this to be extra sharp. I'm gonna go back and deepen this up, but we'll do that later. So today's palette, I'm gonna go in with the Soft Glam palette from ABH, and today I'm gonna be using the Morphe M514 brush, and I absolutely love this brush. I actually need to go get a whole stack. They're so inexpensive, so I would definitely get these brushes because it's so good to get in the crease. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. Okay, so I have something in mind, but we're gonna try it out, see what comes about it. I really want to use some gold shades that is in this palette. This is just a really pretty neutral eyeshadow palette with some rose gold in there, and I love me some rose gold. Who doesn't love rose gold? Or just gold in general. All right, I keep rambling. So I'm gonna take my brush and we're gonna go into orange soda. Tap off the excess. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in. And I'm gonna apply this to the crease. So how are you guys doing? Because I am feeling a little under the weather. I feel like allergies and stuff, I keep freaking sneezing like crazy. And I am not loving that. I feel like California has one of the worst allergy seasons here, and I feel like it's all year round. I'm pretty sure it is all year round. And so I feel like crap. So yeah, that is a good transition color. It has a tint of orange in it, hence the name orange soda. Such a pretty transition shade. To further deepen my crease, I'm going with burnt orange, which is this shade right below it. I'm using the same brush, and I'm just gonna take it just a hinge lower than that other color, and I'm only gonna focus this on the outer to middle portion of the crease. Still going on with that same brush, still using that same brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Rustic, and we're gonna pick some of that up, and we're just gonna apply it to this outer V. And I'm just going in tapping motions, and then you can blend it to the middle portion of your crease. And if you need to, you can go back in with those shades. I'm gonna go back on orange soda and burnt orange and mix those two together. Okay, next shade I'm taking is gonna be bronze, and I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna use my index finger, and I'm just gonna apply it right on the lid. And don't bring it all the way out, just to this portion right here of the eye. To further intensify that shadow, I'm gonna go ahead and get some Morphe setting spray and a flat brush. I'm just gonna spray it. And I'm gonna go in with bronze. I'm gonna take a little bit of Fairy. Same brush, and I'm gonna put this in the inner portion of the eye right here. These two shades are so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off this powder that I have on my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and deepen up the outer crease. I'm gonna go with Cypress Umber. And I'm gonna put this right on the inner portion, or outer portion of the eye. And just blend everything together. Okay, I'm grabbing more of a fluffy brush. That way I can make sure everything's super blended. And then if you need to, you can always go back in with your shades to bring that color back where you want it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on and do a wing. Doing this on camera is a little hard, like doing the liner, because I have to be so close to the mirror. So I'll be right back. All right, so I have my lashes on, which is the Batty Bee lashes in the style Extra. I'm obsessed with these ones. I do want to try her other lashes that she has, but yeah, I'm obsessed with these ones. The liner that I used was the NYX liquid liner, and that one's such a good liner. I actually found mine because the other one I used the other day was, no, I wasn't having it. So, okay, so let's go ahead and get started with our lower lash line. I'm taking a Morphe E17 brush, and I'm gonna go into Burnt Orange. And I'm just gonna run this under the lower lash line and just smoke this shadow on down. And then I'm gonna take my Morphe M514 brush, and I'm gonna go in with Rustic. And we'll go underneath the lashes, underneath the lash line. And you just go back and forth. I'm gonna go back in my Burnt Orange. And I'm gonna go in with Orange Soda. For my waterline, I'm going with the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Hot Chocolate. And we're just gonna run that in our lower waterline. We're gonna highlight our brow bone, going in with the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter. A really pretty packaging. And we're just gonna highlight to the gods. I always like to do the tip of my nose with my finger. And then for your brow bone, just apply that on there. I can apply some to the inner corner. All right, y'all, we're almost done. All right, taking my NARS Climax, I'm gonna do my lashes. And the top lashes, I just like to tap it because I don't want to ruin the style of the lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and mist our face with some Morphe setting spray. Whew, this stuff smells so good. And it feels refreshing. Okay, for lips, I'm going with my Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine. It's number 600. And I love this lip liner. I want to get more lip liners from Makeup Forever because they're just, I just love a pencil lip liner. I feel like you can just sharpen it and get more precision with doing your lip line. Okay, and for today's lipstick, I'm taking MAC, and this, I'm like trying to see what this is, but the name scratched off, but this is Peach Talk. I was like, what the heck is this name? So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this, and I'm just gonna tap it. And this is such a pretty nude. I haven't used this in so long. If you like glosses, you can put a gloss over this and that'll be really, really pretty. But this is the final look. I'll go ahead and zoom you in. My hair is looking a little wild, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I love doing bronzy shadows. I feel like you can just, you know, be on the go with a bronzy wing shadow for the weekend, maybe without the wing during the week, because bronzy shades and just gold are so pretty. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and comment down below, and then don't forget, on your way out, please subscribe to my channel. It'll help so much. And thank you again for all the subscribers that are following me right now. And one last thing, if you haven't done so already, I'll go ahead and link my Instagram handle down below. That way you can follow me on there as well. And yeah, guys, I will see you on the next video.